Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to download and install the Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 and 11 in 2025, specifically your Windows 11 in 2025. How to be able to download the latest version of it to be able to use it as you want to use. So let's do it. So the first thing we need to do is to open our browser. So just open your browser and then you type VS Code. So we type VS Code. When we open, we are going to take from the official website. Just click on it to open it. So this is it, guys. Open. So now you can just click here on this download here. When you click there, it is going to open like this. You have download Visual Studio Code. So it's a free and build or open source. So it says integrated Git, debugging and extension. So we want to install it on our Windows 11 operating system. You just need to click on download for Windows. So Windows 11, 10 or 11 is going to take the same version. So, and it's going to give me the latest version that we are going to be downloading. So let's click on that. When we click on that, automatically, we see the download is going to start. We are going to find the download here. So if we look now, we have successfully downloaded it. If you look in our download folder, this is it here. It is downloaded. So as the download is completed, we can see from here, this is a download. So we can just open from here. We just double click there. It is going to open for us to start installing because the download is complete, which is beautiful. So if you look here, the first thing we are going to do here is to click on accept the agreement. Click on next. Then if this is where you want it to download to, for example, it's telling you where it is going to get downloaded to, you can change, you can browse to change, otherwise leave it by default and just click on next. Then it's telling you the Visual Studio Code. So don't create a shortcut menu folder. If you want to create a shortcut menu folder, you can click on it. Otherwise, you just leave it. Click on next. Now, if you want to create a shortcut icon on your desktop, let's say I want it, you just click on this. You check this box, create a desktop icon. So you just click on that box, you check it, and then you click on next. Then the final thing we are going to do, since everything is okay, we just click on install. So it is going to get installed for us now. So it is installing. We just have to wait for it to install. So it is done. So we just need to click on finish. We click on finish. If I close this screen, click on finish. So it is going to come directly to open. I checked this thing. I didn't check it for it not to open automatically. But if I close it, if I go back to minimize and go back to the desktop, you see this is the icon of the Visual Studio Code. So if you just click on it, to double click to open it. So this is your Visual Studio Code that is open for you to start doing all the settings depending on whatever thing you want to do with it. So guys, this is it all on how to install and to download and install your VS Code on your Windows 10 or 11. So thank you guys.